to buy iPhone in USA? Why buy iPhone anywhere else? When it comes to purchasing a new iPhone, there's no better place to buy than Apple for all your questions about carrier support, payment options, and getting your new iPhone setup. We have all the answers you need. We'll make it works with your carrier. Can you connect my new iPhone to any carrier? For sure, we can easily activate for new iPhone so can keep your same number and rate plan, saving your trip to the carrier store. A specialist can even help you get connected via phone or to chat. Will my new iPhone be unlocked? Every iPhone you buy from a US dollar in an Apple store is unlocked with the expectation of a few carrier financing options. With an unlocked iPhone, you are free to go with the carrier of your choice. What about carrier plans? With my new iPhone, you can easily stick with the carrier plan you have. If you are looking to switch, stop by your nearest Apple store or call 1800 my Apple. We can talk about what's the best for you. It is cheaper to buy from my carrier, not necessarily. While many carriers have special offers for buying an iPhone, most of those promotions are also available in an Apple store. Come in or sell a specialist and let us know what are you looking for. There are good chance we can find an option that works for you. Let's take talk payment options. Should I buy with Apple Card? Definitely, you will get 3% daily cash back on the purchase of your new iPhone and any accessories when you buying any accessories when you buy from Apple, or if you are rather pay for your iPhone monthly, just choose Apple Card monthly installment as your payment options and get interest free payments and 3% daily cash all upfront. Can I get special carrier deals at Apple? You can get up to 1800 credit on the newest iPhone after trade in with special carriers deal direct from Apple. You can take advantage of special deals for iPhone 12. Can I trade in my old phone? Absolutely. We offer competitive trade in values that you can use to lower the cost of your new iPhone or get back on a gift card. Your trade in does not have any monetary value. We can recycle it for free, and if you have any old devices laying around, you can trade those into. What if I want a new iPhone every year? We have an option for that. With the iPhone upgrade program, you can get the latest iPhone every year with Apple Care Plus coverage included. Interested? Just chat, call, or visit an Apple store to learn. Can you help me set up my new iPhone? You bet. Whether you buy online or in an Apple store, it is quick and easy to get your new iPhone set up the way you like. Whether you visit us in a storebook and online personal session will help you transfer your data, connect contacts and photos, show you how to set up privacy and security features like Face ID or Touch ID and more. It is hard to move everything over to my new iPhone. Not at all. If you backup of your data on your current iPhone to your computer or iCloud before you come on your or before your online personal session, we can move everything over in a snap. If you are not able to backup beforehand, we can move all your data over using able to backup beforehand. We can move all your data over using quick start when we set up your new iPhone, and with iOS 15 you will have temporary access to all the iCloud storage you need to backup all your apps and data, so moving everything to our new iPhone is easier than ever. Is all my information safe? Totally. We take privacy very seriously at Apple. What's on your phone is in your business. Getting your new device set up the way you like it. Ours, if you trade in with us online, we'll show you how to erase all the data from your iPhone before you send it in. And if you trade it, an Apple Store will erase all the data right then and there.